have less than 1 week until I'm going back to Australia and I'm really excited. I'm not quite ready to pack yet, but I do need to do a lot of organization and prep, just make sure I have everything and I'm not forgetting anything. I just grabbed out my boxes of summer clothes, so I need to go through those and figure out what it is that I'm gonna take with me back to Australia. I don't wanna take too much stuff because I do wanna bring some things back here, but it's also, you know, the complete opposite season of here and I need to make sure I'm taking clothes that are fitting for the weather. I'm trying to remember what I packed into each box. I think this one could be like skirts and dresses. This one I think might be shorts and skirts, and then this one was just a bunch of stuff that I grabbed out of my cupboard last minute because I needed extra coat hangers, so I just threw them in that box. But let's go through it and pick out a few items of things that I can take back to Australia with me. I've only picked out a couple of things. I picked out one pair of denim shorts. Actually, to be honest, I only own one pair of denim shorts, so I picked those out. I have two tops here. They're actually very similar style, but one's white, and then I've got this colorful one. This one's from Zara. This one's from Avenue from back in the summer this year. I did go to my wardrobe and pick out these nice white pants. So I have those. I also have this floral skirt that I got from Shein that I really, really like. Oh, I just remembered a top that I want to get to go with that. I also have my nice white flowy maxi dress from Zara. And then I have a pair of like gym shorts because I would like to exercise and whatnot when I go back to Australia. Honestly, I'm probably going to take mostly gym clothes and just comfortable clothes, and then just a few pieces that I can wear during the day or out at nighttime if I feel like getting somewhat dressed up. I've got some clothes laid out here in the living room. I have no idea where I'm going to keep the clothes for the next few days while I'm figuring out what to take, but I grabbed some more gym type clothes, which will probably be the most of everything that I take because it's only really all I wear now since the pandemic, and they're just comfortable. One dress, some bottoms, I've got some jeans, shorts, skirt, and then I also have some tops as well. So I'm feeling a little bit off today. Like I don't feel great, not in like a I'm sick or anything kind of way, but just I'm just a little distracted today. So it's making it really hard to think about all the things that I need to pack. I feel like I might have to come back tomorrow and continue with this. I have a to-do list. I've written a to-do list that has been spanning over the last few days into the next few days. I am not trying to do stuff specifically on a day. It's just as long as it gets done before I go. What I can do is actually fill out the documentation in the app for entering Australia. It's now within 7 days and you have to do it I think 72 hours before, which is like Monday night, and it's currently Friday. So I think now is probably a good time to sit down and actually fill out all of that documentation. So I'm gonna do that, give that a go, and then I don't know. And I'll see what else I can do this afternoon, what my brain will allow me to do. Today is just not my day. I just tried to do the app and I think I've worked out why I can't do it and why I couldn't do it yesterday. Is it's got to be done within 7 days of landing, and I am not quite 7 days away from landing, kind of. I land on the 4th and the app will only let me select to the 3rd, and yesterday it would only let me select to the 2nd. So I'm assuming I need to wait one more day before I can actually select my day of landing as the 4th and put in all of my flight details. It's a little complicated. Like, they explain it well and it's simple, but it's also got just a few details that don't make sense. It's a little complicated but easy at the same time. I don't know how to explain it. So I will have to do tomorrow. I have to do another one for the PCR test on Monday. And then I think that's pretty good documents wise. I have printed out my vaccine, but I do think I just need to print a couple more copies of things, or at least go through my documents folder. If you remember watching my videos when I first came here, I had like a whole folder of documents. I think I need to grab some of the documents out of there as well, just to make sure I'm all covered. I'm not sure if I've taken everything that I want to take out of these boxes. And I actually think, being that these are the closed ones, I might move them into my bedroom closet rather than the front closet. I don't know. Like I said, my brain is not working today. It's just not working. This is a really bad day to start this video. Yeah, I'm just gonna put these in my closet in my bedroom. I just grabbed out some jackets. I'm not sure if I will take all of these, but I do need just a couple of like lightweight cardigans, jackets, whatever. I think I might wear the cardigan on the plane, but these jackets will be good just in case it does get a little bit cold. It's not always going to be 35 degrees when I'm there, so I just need a little something. It's Saturday morning and I'm feeling a little bit more prepared to get organized today. I think I can actually do the app now for the Australian declaration, so I'm going to try and do that. I also really think I should write a to-do list and then, oh, I feel like I'm losing my voice. Anyway, what was I gonna say? Now I've totally lost my train of thought. Oh, right, so tonight I'm actually going away for the night with my friend for her birthday. I do need to go to the supermarket and pick up some things for that. I also need to pack a bag for that. So I'm double packing at the moment. I need like an overnight bag and then also my suitcases, and it's confusing me about what I really need. So yeah, I think I'm gonna sit down and write a to-do list. I just ticked off a couple of things off my to-do list already. I have organized the cake, which I do need to go and pick up this afternoon before we go away. I just finished the declaration for the Australian app, and I think the next thing I'm gonna do is probably work on getting my toiletries stuff out of the bathroom, and then also organizing my bag for tonight, because I'm going to literally go and get the cheesecake and then come back, and then Blair will be here to pick me up. So I won't have any time to do anything after midday, and it is currently, what time is it? It is 10:30, so I have about an hour and a half to try and get this entire to-do list ticked off, which now that I say that out loud, I'm freaking out a little bit, but it's fine. So let's do packing an overnight bag and bathroom toiletries. I'm making some progress. I am not having anyone over for the next few days, so honestly, I think I'm just gonna start leaving stuff around on my kitchen bench. This stuff is for on the plane. I really wanted some 3M masks for the trip just because they're better than the other black ones that I have, and I picked up 3 from Shoppers, but I think I might get some more before I leave. I also have these Dettol wipes that I actually used on the plane when I came here, but I will use them on the way back, you know, wipe down the tray table and all that sort of stuff. So I'll take those in my carry-on. Then I have skincare, hair stuff, toothpaste, and I'm just gonna get a regular toothbrush when I go to the supermarket now. This is gonna be for my body wash, so I try to save the containers from my Olaplex, and this is empty. This is the newer one that I purchased, and then I can put the body wash in here. I had another one of these, and I think I may have thrown it out, which is really upsetting because I was hoping to get a whole collection so I could do shampoo and conditioner and whatnot, but I will take off this label, maybe put a new label on it with my label machine, and put my body wash in there. I have my deodorant and my razor, and then these 2 bags were gift with purchase things from my hairdresser back in Melbourne, and I got 2 of them, and they are the perfect bags for toiletries and traveling. And then I also have contact lenses. I have my makeup up here, which needs to be all redone. Over this side, I have my boards, I've got my cheese knives, this bowl, the little honey thing, the honey in the container, this plate for tonight. I also threw in 3 face masks, so we could do like some face masks tonight, because you know, it's a fun girls' night. And then I'm slowly ticking off my to-do list. I need to leave right now though and run to the supermarket, and then also LCBO, and then come back and get on with my afternoon. I just got back from the supermarket and the LCBO. I can actually cross some more stuff off on my to-do list. So I picked up a toothbrush. I got all the stuff for the charcuterie board. I have laid a few things out on my bed as well. So I've pulled out a swimsuit for tonight because there's a hot tub. I've also got the boards all laid out as well, and the cheese knives, cross that one off. PJs, I actually don't need PJs. Blair got us all matching PJs, which is so adorable. I'm so excited for that. I picked up a Starbucks while I was there because I need coffee to get through today. I actually, to be really honest, have been a little sad the last couple of days. And so I haven't done as much in the last 2 days as I would have hoped. So today the pressure is on to get everything done before 3 p.m. So yeah, there's just a lot to do. I gotta go pick up this cake soon, which I'm really excited about. And then I think we can head head out to our little Airbnb getaway. Actually, I realized that this video was supposed to be more about packing, but now I think it's like, well, I'm organizing two different things. I'm packing for two different things. So I might just show you some of our stuff from tonight as well. But yeah, so let's get on with organizing and getting stuff done. Okay, I picked up a box of cottage springs for tonight. I love this stuff, but I did also grab a bottle of wine just in case I felt like wine instead of vodka. I have my toothbrush, and I also got a little toothpaste and then some makeup remover wipes. I don't usually use makeup remover wipes, but for traveling, they're just really easy. So these can go over here. I probably don't need this big toothpaste anymore. And then this one can go in skincare. So there's that. And then back over here, I picked up my favorite blue cheese. You can get one like this in Aldi in Australia, and it is so good. And then I also picked up some of this salami stuff because it's really good as well. I got a baguette because I like to have the bread with my charcuterie board. If you watched my last video, then you would know all about that. And then I also picked up 2 of these Red Bulls. I know they're really bad for you, but I like the zeros, and I have them on days when I just have so much to do and I just need like a little pick-me-up. I have them, and knowing that I only have a few days to get everything done before Australia, I'm gonna need these. So that's where we're at. It's Tuesday morning, and I have no idea how I went from Saturday afternoon to Tuesday morning without picking up my camera. I didn't film anything Saturday evening. I have a couple of photos that I can show you of what we got up to on Saturday night, but yeah, it's Tuesday and I'm leaving tomorrow, and I just don't know how I got here. I have so much mess everywhere of stuff that I need to start organizing and packing, and I don't even know. I don't know. Actually, the thing that's just popped into my head is the little container thing. I was going to get little containers to take some products with me as my carry-on so that I could do some like skincare and stuff when I'm like in Abu Dhabi, and I didn't get containers, and I don't like the ones at Shoppers or the supermarket. I wonder if the dollar store has some. Is it worth me venturing to the dollar store today to figure that out? But I actually did come up with a potential solution. I have lots of containers for all my nail dip powders, and some of them are empty, so I could just wash those out and use those as products instead, but I also don't know if that's bad. Anyway, this is what I am dealing with. I now need to start packing my little Toiletries bags, and I don't know, just making some more progress. Oh, and guess what? I found out that today and tomorrow they're coming in to rip this wall out. Of all the times to do it, you had all last week. I think you had all the week before, but now in the 2 days that I am leaving, you want to come in and rip this wall out, which means I have to move all my furniture as well as trying to pack. Ugh, the timing of it all. Well, this is now my living room. I have my suitcases open and empty. I just realized I also have to go to the supermarket and buy like snacks and cereals and things for my brothers and their girlfriends. I need to get M&Ms because M&Ms are gluten-free here and they are not in Australia. But this is where I'm at. I think I need to start putting stuff into the suitcases. I've at least started putting some stuff into a suitcase. I don't really know how much more I need to take than this because I want to go shopping and I want to be able to bring stuff back. I have a couple of jackets, I have a dress, I have some jeans, like a blue pair of jeans, a black pair of jeans. I have 3 of these crop tops, which is more of my gym clothes, 2 pairs of gym leggings, plus the pair that I'm currently wearing, some gym shorts, some sports bras, a t-shirt. I'm gonna buy more t-shirts and stuff there, I think. I have 3 nice tops, and then I have 2 bodysuits, some shorts, and then some nice pants, a skirt, swimsuit, pajamas, and then some like tracksuit pants. And it's not a lot, but I really don't think I need much more than that. I might add in maybe another dress, maybe. I don't know. It's just, I'm really having a hard time trying to figure this out. In the meantime though, I ordered myself some breakfast because I have no food left. I got a cheese and egg croissant, and then I also got this turmeric drink. I thought it was cold, not warm, but it's warm. It makes more sense that it's warm. I don't know why I would think a turmeric drink was cold. I thought it was like orange juice with turmeric in it. No, it's like a tea, but this will get me through. Oh, I also love Aroma Espresso Bar because they always give you a little chocolate when you get a drink. It's the best. But that's where I'm at. I'm just very slowly trying to figure this out. I've had to pull out my little electronic electronics box because I need chargers. So this is the Australian charger for my laptop, so I will take that. That way I don't have to use an adapter for it. What else do I have in here? Probably don't need those. Ooh, what's this? Oh, so this is an Australian wall charger, which I will definitely be taking that. And then, I don't know if I need a double adapter. I mean, maybe. I feel like I had more stuff somewhere else. Like this is a travel adapter, but I feel like I had another one somewhere. I just went and had a look in the rest of the containers in my cupboard. I didn't find any adapters, but I found 55 Australian dollars. So I'm gonna take this with me and put this into my purse. I don't know where my adapter things went, so I guess I'm just gonna take the cord for my laptop and definitely this one here, and then I don't really need the double adapter. Like, I don't need it for anything. I swear I had more stuff. I know that I have an Australian power board somewhere. I just don't know where. Actually, I just found the little adapter I was looking for. So this has the Australian plug, and then I can plug my North American plug into this one. And I'm using this for my curling wand. I've had my curling wand forever. I've had it when I lived in Australia, so I had to use one all the time there. But I don't know what happened to the one that I used to use. I guess I replaced it with this one. So that's helpful. And then this is helpful as well. And then that will be very, very helpful in being able to just switch over and charge my laptop straight from that. I also just realized I need to take this one for my layover in Abu Dhabi, although I feel like airports usually have plugs that are pretty universal, but I'll just take this one in case because I don't want to get stuck there in my layover and not be able to charge my computer and things like that.